What's going on, everyone? Emeroy here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys more about a high, intermediate, advanced combination going from your baby freeze into your suicide.
Might as well be a mountain.
So as you saw from the demo, I went from a baby freeze into a suicide. Apologize, I honestly wasn't my best or favorite execution, but I had to be able to show you guys what we were doing. I actually have a messed up shoulder. I think it might be a ligament or a rotator cuff. I'm going to be seeing a doctor soon about it. It's bothering me. It actually, going to the around, it's been a problem for like since last year, but it just got better recently. Could be because I'm turning 30. So, anyways, baby freeze suicide, or can come from side freeze suicide. It's just coming from like a basic freeze, as you saw, and you're kind of using momentum to spin you over, and boom. Okay, and as you notice, I land a little differently. By the way, I hope you guys are enjoying these multi-angle tutorials, because I want to show you as much as I can. So I land it like this. From the suicides we've learned so far, you land here. This one I land into this position. I'm gonna put my phone down since it's falling. This position because it's a little bit more stylish. It's more like, but I also use it from a functionality standpoint. Because from here I can just go down and do some other stuff. Thread. Okay. Here just going through back rocks. Okay. Boom. Okay. That'll be another tutorial. But you can come from two variation of freezes. The whole point is you can either come from your baby freeze, okay, or your side freeze, okay, or basic side freeze, okay. That's up to you. Pick whatever you want. But either way, the entry point is very much the same. I'm gonna back up so I can see you guys can see me. But anyways, let's just come from here, okay. That save the stress on my shoulder. From here, I tuck it in. Okay, from here, since it's a lot of momentum, I'm just gonna walk it through. Okay, as I kick out, I shoot this arm through as hard as I can. Boom. And as I'm twisting, okay, I land into this position. Okay, this is definitely one of those moves that you need to be on something soft first. And you have to know how to land properly. Because this one, from the first suicide tutorial video, or Deadman. Okay, so putting that together nice and slow, because this move, because I can't count or put a count to a spin or a torque. Okay, but I'll do my best to show it to you guys. From here, boom, basic freeze. Okay, tuck it in. Okay, from here, I kick out. Boom, like I punch it through. Like you gotta punch. Like if someone was about to come at you and you gave them a right hook, that kind of punch. Okay, so from here, boom, tuck it in, boom. Okay, but same thing coming from a baby freeze or baby freeze shuffle. Okay, tuck it in, boom. All right, so main thing to keep in mind for this move is freeze, get into that tuck position, kick, okay, kick. That kick is going to give you a little bit of height as you're spinning, okay, and then what matters after the kick is the torque, okay. You want to practice that. A simple one that I have my students do, okay, especially the young ones, right, I have them just jump in the air and then torque to one way, okay. Okay, simple, cheesy and dorky move, but it helps you get the idea of having to use your momentum to spin. So those are just simple like coordination exercises to keep in mind. So again, we'll do a demo one more time, and then close it out. So from here, boom, simple half baby freeze, okay, or full on baby freeze. Tuck it in, kick, and torque. Okay, boom, catch here. And you can do whatever you want. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's intermediate advanced baby freeze or freeze suicide tutorial or Deadman's. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Yeah, please give me questions, because it's one of those moves that I would much rather have give you feedback on. Please practice this on soft surface, grass, mats. Make sure you have good side freeze, baby freeze, or basic side freeze. Get those tucks, learn how to kick, that kicking exercise. Okay, this is kicking right here is gonna be important. So make sure you're able to kick. Try to kick that because that's gonna give you that height, the torque as well. It's gonna get the spin, the catch. Everything is pretty much coordination of small little things put together. So make sure you guys don't skip the details. Okay, every detail counts. Okay, I know you want to get these moves, but I also want you to do it safely. I want you guys to do it properly, and this is just my way of teaching it. I'd like to be as detailed as possible, so that way you avoid any mistakes or any potential failure points, or I cover as much as I can, so you mentally and visually see it. So yeah, if you like the video, like it, subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell button so that way you guys get updates on all the new stuff that I post up, and comment if you guys got any questions.
I know I made